Hello everyone, I'll be presenting the poster for 5th Annual Research Day. In this, I will be presenting our research idea, Truth Discovery for Constituency Pass-Tree Aggregation. I am Aditya Kulkarni and I will be making the presentation today. Our problem deals with constituency parsers. So what is the issue with the constituency parsers? These constituency parsers use different parsing techniques, and because they use different parsing techniques, they may provide different parsers for the same sentence. Because of this difference in parser output, it creates a confusion on which parser to choose so as to obtain the best structure for the given sentence. Our solution, we want to aggregate these constituency parsers. For this, we adopt truth discovery idea in absence of ground truth to obtain high quality aggregated results that can best maintain structure of the sentence. We propose a closed form solution for an optimization framework that minimizes the weighted Robinson-Fall distance. Our assumption, we assume that all input constituency parse trees are for the same sentence. Related works. There are probabilistic based methods which model the workers' labeling behavior in truth discovery, and also optimization framework based methods that minimize weighted distance by incorporating source weight. In phylogenetic domain, we have phylogenetic tree aggregation problem. In this, they considered two different scenarios, basically binary trees and non-binary trees. The consensus-based methods like majority rule consensus, strict consensus, and greedy consensus can be applied for both binary and non-binary trees. But the binary solution based aggregation methods, which use Manhattan distance based optimization function, can only be applied to binary trees. Then we have ensemble trees, which use ground truth to find minimum spanning tree for the weighted directed graph to find optimal dependency structures. For example, random forest and bootstrap trees. As per our knowledge, truth discovery idea has never been applied to investigate tree structure. Our proposed solution. As discussed, we try to minimize the Robinson-Fall distance to find the optimum aggregated tree. Robinson-Fall distance is defined as symmetric difference between clusters of two trees. Our optimization framework, which is defined here, tries to find the tree Ti star such that it minimizes the overall Robinson-Fall distance between itself and the input constituency parse trees. Our source weight and truth update both work in the similar fashion to find the corresponding weight that minimizes the objective function and also find the T star, the aggregated tree that minimizes the objective function. For this, we propose a closed form solution where our input is the input constituency parse trees and our output is the aggregated constituency parse tree. For this, we identify the support for each of the clusters from the input constituency parse trees, and we choose the clusters with support greater than 0.5, means 50% support, greater than 50% support. Those clusters are directly added to the aggregated constituency parse tree. For the clusters with support equal to 0.5, there is a possibility of the conflict between the clusters. To find the clusters which do not have conflict between themselves, we use the maximum independent set approach, uh, and then once we find those clusters, we add those clusters to the final aggregated constituency parse trees. For our experiments, we used three datasets for Pentribank English and Entrepreneurs English and Chinese. Pentribank English has 49,208 sentences, Entrepreneurs English has 50,000 sentences, and Entrepreneur Chinese has 51,230 sentences. Here in this table, it can be observed that the input constituency parse tree have a lot of conflict between themselves, and there is very few sentences for which all of these parses agree. In this table, you can observe the performance of our proposed solution, where it can be observed that for both the English datasets, our proposed method tries to converge to the best parser because there is a correlation between the parsers because these parsers are trained on the same Pentribank dataset. Because of that correlation, we try to get to the converge to the best parser, which is Allen NLP in this case. For entrepreneurs Chinese, because there is very few correlation between the parsers which are used here, we can observe that our proposed solution provides the best solution, and it is even better than the best parser. The source weight, which during conversion shows that for both the English datasets, our proposed method tries to converge to the best parser, which is ALNLP in this case, by providing the higher weight to it. And for the onto-node Chinese, it can be observed that because there is very less correlation, the first two parsers, the best parsers, are given higher weights compared to the other parser. As a summary, we have provided an optimization framework for constituency parse aggregation, and our experimental evaluation shows that the proposed method produces high quality aggregation result. And the source weight update also validates our assumption that our model converges to the best input parser. For the future work, we want to extend this work to include POS aggregation, and we also want to consider the correlation between the parsers to improvise for the dataset like English. Thank you.